Welcome back to the Delprat Family Channel. Where have you been so long, right? We have a lot of interesting content for you guys, and today we are in Treasure Beach.
This is a national treasure out here in St. Elizabeth. We're on the south coast of Jamaica. This area is virtually untapped beauty. A lot of beautiful landscape is here in St. Elizabeth that is virtually undeveloped, right? But as you know, in real estate investing, an area that is largely undeveloped, not a lot of mass migration has happened, is the perfect place to purchase. Number one, you buy on the low, all right? You buy a lot cheaper than if it was already fully established and everything.
Exactly.
All right? Today, we're bringing to you this development. This is like the first of its kind here in Treasure Beach. So this is like a gated complex.
So the name right now is called Treasure Heights. Over 70 lots for sale currently. As Adrian mentioned, this is going to be a gated community.
There'll be some amenities: kiddies play area, football field, clubhouse, pool, all right? Lots of amenities. This is one of a kind here in Treasure Beach.
Right. So this is the place where you come, you put on your roots, you get access to the beach. So this is basically 5 minutes from the beach.
Literally.
5 minutes from the beach. There's this big coastline. I don't know if you can see the sea behind us, but this is the Caribbean Sea.
It's beautiful.
And basically you have this, as Adrian said, a gem available at this time in 2023 in Jamaica. St. Elizabeth, Treasure Beach.
Yep.
All right? So the lot sizes range from approximately 1/4 acre right up to about 3/4 acres. We've always been one of those sources of knowledge and information that basically encourages you to use your property for your own, personal benefits. You can use it to make additional money, investment for the future, investment for now. I mean, the sky's the limit for a property like this. We're of course going to give you a tour of the development. There are units here that currently have titles available to be transferred, but there are also lots that are here that are not yet titled, so they're in the process of getting the titles. All right.
Yes.
So basically it's a phased development. So first come, first serve. Those who show them interest, those who put in the work, early bird
Catch the most worms.
catch the most worms.
Yes, the price of this will definitely shoot up over the next year or so. All right. As soon as the infrastructure work is complete, you're gonna find the price of this ballooning. You know, so it's best to invest early. Express your interest. The listing agent that we are working with is Wayne Mitchell. All right, he's based in this side of the island, so it's easy for him to access. You can always meet him here, or if you wish to work via phone, you can do that. His contacts will be listed in the description as well. So reach out to Wayne Mitchell for purchasing.
Definitely. Now let's show you guys around. All right. Let's give you guys some views.
Yep.
All right, so basically we're at a dead end road, and we have all the lots, basically all of this open space you're seeing right here are lots.
Going around
the cul-de-sac. The road right now is unpaved, right? In the process of being paved. Of course, you have the electrical wires already in place for your electricity. Water is already in place. The lots are already designated. Like, y'all, it's already done. It's ready. It's waiting.
The thing about Treasure Beach, unlike Negril, Wayne brought up an interesting,
Point,
comparison, between Treasure Beach and Negril, and that's something that we always, notice, but we never put it into words that kind of way,
We even spoke about it this morning.
Treasure Beach, basically owned by locals. right?
Yeah,
So
locals are employed here.
Yeah, locals own the businesses. It's a lot of local tourism going on as well. So you find a lot of Airbnbs, a lot of villas here, you know, small businesses.
And the locals interact directly with the tourists.
Definitely, yes.
Nice little environment. You mentioned that you don't have crime being a big factor down this side.
It's very safe here.
And I have noticed that, like, being down here is not the same feel as being in other areas where you see a lot of bars and basically you have your antennas up.
Yeah.
You know? You have your antennas up.
It's a lot safer here. Really, really much safer. So, I mean, for a gated community, being here, it's novel to the place, you know, but it still adds a little bit more of an exclusivity aspect of it, you know?
Definitely.
So that makes it good. That makes it
definitely.
good. Yes.
I know I'm a girl that goes for the view. The view is what got me.
Yeah.
You know, the view and the fact that we are 5 minutes from the beach. Because I'm one of those persons who want to just get up. If I get up on a Sunday or Monday or Tuesday and I say, I want to go to the beach, no. But I just want to have the beach close by where I can access. Just drive to the beach.
Yep.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
We are currently now standing on lot 12. Nice body.
Yeah.
View is so good.
Look at cheese. I do like
This
it.
is beautiful.
I do like it. So this is our current lot right now. That we're looking at the sea, and we also have the view of the mountains. That's an interesting feature. Because you see, I don't see the sea now, so I'm not even look behind to say I can see mountain.
The mountain view as well.
But mountain views are nice as well.
Yes.
So you can have best of both worlds right here.
Yep.
Best of both worlds right here. Yeah, and we have the roads. So although the roads are not finished, you can see that they are being worked on.
Yep.
And trust me, better than enough other roads, at least you can drive and see the lot.
Exactly.
So that is definitely a good thing.
And they are huge. This is like half an acre. This lot 12 is about half acre.
Almost.
You have
almost
some
half acre.
that are quarter and so on. Some that are 3/4 as well.
Yes. So the sizes vary, and the prices also vary.
A 1/3 acre really. Yes.
Yeah. So this is basically, and I must say that the lot sizes are decent out this part. You know, normally we used to less than the quarter acre. To be honest, talk truth.
Yep.
Talk truth. So these land sizes are really nice. We are currently looking on what is going to be the main road being constructed as well. So
coming into the community.
Coming into the main road for the community. Sorry, the entrance to the community, which is also going to be a beautiful feature as well. Because when you see nice, clean construction, when you see, it just cleans up everything, make everything look real nice. But what about the price? What about the price?
Yes. The price. Okay. All right. So as we said, this is a one of a kind of subdivision here. All right. It's gated. All right. Road network already put in place. Water will be put in, or is being put in right now. Electricity. If you can look around, you can see utility poles all around. So a lot of amenities are already put into this development. So the price, we are talking, it's starting at over 80,000 US dollars, and it goes up to over 200,000. So from around 80,000 US up to over 200,000 US. And the price varies based on size thereafter. So depending on your budget, you can choose a lot that can suit you.
Budget. Yes. And this is also one of those areas where you can come and you can build your own dream home.
Right.
All right. Let's say a big thank you to Wayne Mitchell for inviting us to come and feature such a wonderful property today. Right?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Yeah. This is yet another big one for you guys. You can't say we're not always giving it, right?
Yes. Treasure Beach is an area that we are interested in. We love down here. This is like our third time coming to Treasure Beach.
Yeah.
Based on our videos, those OG subscribers would have seen us visit this place on more than one occasion. And we're back here again for holiday weekend, and we are showing you this lovely property here. So if you are interested in purchasing, do remember to reach out to Mr. Wayne Mitchell. His contact information is down in the description. You can check in the description box for his details. All right, and do remember to subscribe, right? Make sure to press the like button, all right?
Turn on the post notification bell. Again, that's the one with the dancing symbols beside it.
Yep.
Right? And guys, D-Squad, this is it for now, but stay tuned.
Yeah, man, stay tuned, guys. We're out.
Peace.